marginally in the green. India's appetite for gold seems to have taken a hit due to record high prices. The World Gold Council is expecting demand to fall 10% and hit a 3-year low this year. Manisha Gupta is here with more.
Well, yes, the gold demand numbers do not look good for the Indian markets. The previous quarter has seen 7% of a decline in volumes, and with the expectation that for the year we could be in the minus of 10% there. But the devil clearly is in the details, because while the volumes have been declining, the value has been going up in sense of all of these categories, because the gold prices are much higher. We've also seen an all-time high in gold prices in this year as well, and that really seems to be impacting the volume but not the value here. For example, when you look at the demand in the previous quarter, it fell 7% in volume, but the value-wise, it went up by nearly 4%. The overall gold imports also in the previous quarter have declined by nearly 16%, with World Gold Council saying that for the year, while it has been 271 tons of import for the first half, but overall the year could still end up by around 650 to 750 tons. When you look at the jewelry demand volume as well, that fell 8%, but value-wise went up by 3%. Investment demand fell by 3%, but value-wise went up by nearly 9%. The only very big number really worth noticing is the recycled gold. This is the gold that comes back into the market, whether you are exchanging gold for new gold or you're selling your household gold for cash. This recycled gold came into the market up by nearly 61%. If you look at the gold prices also in the month of July itself, we've seen 2.5% of gains coming in for this one. Silver gained up by 8% as well. And the markets do believe that this is a year which could continue to be on the higher side, especially if Chinese demand picks up and also the US does not hike any more interest rates. The US non-farm payroll data on Friday is also going to be of importance, though the markets do feel that the buying will continue, especially as we are getting into the wedding season, festival season. It just goes on until Diwali and the New Year as well. So while the volumes could be lower, the value still might just surprise you on the higher side.
All right. Thank you, Manisha. India's Purchasing Managers Index